Guys, welcome back once again into my channel, and today I'm going to show for you all another new waterfall, and the name of the waterfall is Umtaseneng Waterfall, one of the biggest and the largest and most beautiful waterfall found in West Karbi Anglong district. So guys, let's get in and I will show you guys. I'm still on my way. So guys, you can see, finally I have reached to the spot, and this is the waterfall you can see. And this is the one fall, and this one down part. Again on top of it, you can see, there again you will find. But now as it is in the winter days, so the water is a little bit less. And when during the summer days, the water volume used to be more. So at the time, the water used to fall and directly it crosses up to the road. So this is about it, guys. And now I will show you properly. And guys, do you know how we managed to reach here is because of one important person, and I will try to introduce you that person. He's the one who brought for us here in this place, and because of him only we managed to reach this place, this wonderful and very beautiful waterfall known as the Umtaseneng Waterfall. So guys, you can see. So this is the man, and Nali man Chachantha.
But my name is Joycing Rongpi, but I cannot talk English like you talk in Karbi. Nili si lalang litumpan ng van lo, labang so lang roy men ke Umtaseneng, lapan nili men ke Joycing Rongpi, nili rong ke upilang so tanom de bom ke ni hamran so de bom, selang litumpan pethegang lo, hai Umtaseneng lang sun lo. La selang litumpan pethegang lo.
Lalu la sedi alang lipan mane ni ikpan ni iklang ni ke la tarong pi sang ho sepu, la sela ni ikpan ni churopik lo. Lapen ekdom suri kardom churopik ano mane la so joine si tum anang nang lero la so dim nang ja dono na paklang dun lo la se la hen lo. So guys, this is the man, this is the man who brought for us and who show us the road, who show us the location, and who brought for us, and because of him only myself and I managed to reach this place, and because of him only I'm able to show for you all. So and thank you so much, brother. Yes. So this is what it, guys, and once again I will show you where the fall. And now I will go nearer and I will show you from the nearer place, guys. In this waterfall, here also they built one small temple, so you can see, and this is the temple, guys, small temple. Then I will take you nearer. So you can see, guys, this is the temple, and inside the temple, so there one small water is falling there also. So it's looking very nice. And now I will go nearer to the main waterfall. Here it is built in some stepwise, so you can see. So you can see, guys, now finally I have already reached to the main waterfall. You can see. So this is about it, and this is our fall. This is the waterfall. See? See, from it's falling from on top of it. It's looking very, very, very nice. So this is about it. So this is about it, guys. So this is the Umtaseneng Waterfall. So I have already shown you, and it's really very, very nice and very big waterfall. You can see from far off view. The fall has been fallen in 3 steps here also. First, second, and the third. People said that during the summer days, when more rainfall occurs, when the volume of water increases, at that time the waterfalls, the fall used to directly came and directly the water used to fly and directly straightly it falls straightly into the opposite of it, and it just crosses the roads. So at that time it will be looking very nice. But as I also didn't visit during the summer days, as I am so coming for the first time, so I could not show that time that falls, guys. But duration in the coming days, during the summer days time, I will try to come during the summer days, and at that time I will try to show. So this is what it, guys, and it's really looking very nice. Okay then, guys, so only that much, and decide some.
One, two, three. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.